is a wondrous white delight. Yep, it's an awesome snowman cake. Want to know how to bake? Well, you start with 100 grams of egg white. Whisk it up in a mixing bowl till it's lovely white and frothy. Add 200 grams of sugar to that, a little bit at a time. This is how you make your meringue mixture. Once that has formed stiff peaks, you can start to spoon it into various bowls and add food colourings. We're starting with orange. Now we're going to pipe some plain old white meringue mixture onto a baking tray with some baking paper on it. 4 circles. These are going to be our snowmen heads. Orange for the nose. And black coloured meringue for the mouth and the eyes. Looks kind of like raisins, doesn't it? So we're making a few of those and then we're going to bake them for 2 hours at just 90 degrees centigrade. Meanwhile, get your basic vanilla cake and layer it with buttercream icing. Coat the entire outside in it too. We're keeping with the white theme here because it's kind of snowy. Ding ling ding a ding 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 a ding ding. Now we're going to do a snowman face on our cake too. So orange buttercream icing for the carrot nose, black buttercream icing for the raisin eyes and mouth. Delicate little dots. There we go. Now some white buttercream icing is going to be piped on either side. Small and large blobs which kind of look like snow has fallen. And some green buttercream icing is going around the edge of the top of our cake now. We're using a serrated edge nozzle because we're creating a kind of hair effect. At the same time, it's leaves off a tree or a bush. We're adding some red buttercream icing in between for the berries. Looks very Christmassy indeed. Kind of like holly. The holly and the ivy. Some white buttercream icing here and there with some brown in between, so it kind of looks like snow has fallen and landed on top of the branches. It's the little things that make a difference, you know. Be as creative as you like with this. Now we're going to make some brown buttercream flowers. On a little piece of baking paper on a spinning tray. Beautiful, isn't it? Carefully place those around your holly bush. And then add on your meringue snowmen faces. And there you have it. A beautiful Christmassy looking snowman cake. Awesome.